How do we make a new field by combining text data from two existing fields in ArcGIS Pro? In this example, I want to combine street name with street number and make an address. So I will right click on address field and go to the calculate field. Here I will double click on the street number, which is just under the fields above, and I will double click the street name, add plus, double inverted comma, and between that add a space, and I'll add plus and click apply. So these two text fields are combined: street number, street name, and a complete address. For example, A1 Hillcrest Street. So use the calculate field in ArcGIS Pro to combine your text data. You can also use this tool to combine your numeric data, for example, multiplication, division, and other uses. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and also subscribe this channel. On the comment box below, please write what kind of video you want me to prepare for you. Thank you.